Hey everybody, Dominoes 7 here. I haven't done a vlog on this channel in a while. Oh, I forgot. Actually, I uploaded my Facebook Live footages on this channel. All right. So anyway, I uploaded some MechaCon videos that I did yesterday and today. And as some of you may know, I met Kristen's boyfriend, new boyfriend, Brent. Okay, so I knew I was gonna meet him though. I knew that all along, So the way I think about it, yeah, okay, all right. So by me losing my mom, she's in heaven right now and stuff like that, And then getting into argument with my oldest brother, doing stupid shit and stuff like that. Excuse my language, on this day, So the way I think about it, folks, I'll be fine, I may not live in this house for a long time, but hopefully I will be buying a house one day, But the bad news is, if something break, it's my responsibility to have it fixed, So something, y'all? I'm praying to God that I have a nice home, a 4-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, a den, a kitchen, and a living room. Okay, I mean it'll be great. God knows it'll be wonderful. It will be so wonderful. That's why I say the Lord is good all the time. God gonna bless us with something good. Me and my twin, okay? So, I mean, do y'all remember Nala? Nala was supposed to come back to my show, but unfortunately, she haven't came back to my show. She ain't want me to film her because she was worried about her hair, I don't know why she was worried about her hair, It was just a damn hair, All right, so everything is good. So all I gotta do is just get my brother out of this house and get that devil out of this house, Yep. So tomorrow I'm gonna watch The Believer's Voices of Victory with Kenneth Copeland and Gloria Copeland. Okay. Yes, indeed. I love the Copeland family. I mean, The Believer's Voices of Victory. How many of y'all watched that when y'all was children? I remember watching that when I used to wake up, I watched them on WGNO, it's like a paid program, So I watched them on WGNO years ago, The Believer's Voices of Victory. Now they showing that on YouTube, I really enjoyed The Believer's Voices of Victory with Kenneth and Gloria Copeland, okay? Yep, I'm a fan of them, I gotta tell my pastor, have you ever heard of Kenneth and Gloria Copeland? Yes, indeed. And not their children is involved with this, and the grandchildren, or was it the grandson? I forgot the man name. Kenneth and Gloria Copeland's grandson. Yes, indeed. God sent us them, with that wonderful program, I love watching The Believer's Voices of Victory when I was a child, Especially watching Miss Gloria Copeland, Alright? So on that note, I enjoy them, I really do, okay? Alright. With that said and done, thank y'all for watching this channel, okay? Thank y'all for watching this video, okay? Nothing else? That's it. Bye.